This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Huey Shu. New roof will be replaced before closing. Lots of new UODATES. In growing area of Downtown Zephyrhills neighborhood. No HOA or CDD fee. This 3-bedroom 2-bathroom home move-in ready. Property is located in the heart of Zephyrhills. Park your toys camper, trailer, boat, or multiple vehicles. The AC and water heater are 5 years old and you will love the adorable new update fenced front porch. New windows. New floors. Fully updated bathrooms. Beautiful and bright living room with new and large windows and tray ceiling. All of this is just steps away from all quaint Downtown Zephyrhills has to offer, including community parks, restaurants, shops and staples like Zephyrhills Brewing Company. For more information, review the details below or contact Huey Shu at 813-702-9797.